Ecology terms: community, all the organisms of various species that share a habitat or ecosystem. Chemoautotroph, an organism that can synthesize organic compounds from inorganic chemicals using solar energy. Levels of classification: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Bacteria are simple organisms lacking nuclei, either heterotrophs or autotrophs. All can reproduce asexually, live nearly everywhere. Archaebacteria, they're prokaryotic. Heterotrophs live in salt lakes, hot springs, and animal guts. Protista, most are single-celled, some are multicellular organisms, eukaryotic. Some are autotrophs, some are heterotrophs, some both. Reproduce sexually and asexually, live in aquatic and most moist habitats. Fungi, most are multicellular, all are heterotrophs, reproduce sexually and asexually. Most are terrestrial. Plantae, multicellular, autotrophs, sexually and asexually. Phylogeny is the history of evolution of a species or a group of organisms. Homologous features, features with similar structures but different functions. Analogous features, features that are similar in appearance and function but do not appear to have the same evolutionary origin. Allopatric, speciation, speciation by reproductive isolation. Divergent evolution, evolution into many different species. Oligotrophic, having low nutrient levels. Eutrophic, having high nutrient levels. Coliform bacteria indicates the presence of fecal contamination in the water. The biological oxygen demand, the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by decomposers to completely break down the organic matter in water. Watershed, the land that drains toward a lake or other body of water. Peat, slowly decomposing plant matter produced in low oxygen environments such as bogs. Percolation, the movement of a liquid through a porous material such as soil particles. Water table, the top level of a region below the ground that is saturated with water. Leaching, the removal of soluble minerals by percolation. Biomass, the total dry mass of all of the living material in an ecosystem. Muskeg, soil above the permafrost that is swampy or boggy in the summer. Limnetic zone, the area of a lake or pond in which there is open water and sufficient light for photosynthesis to occur. Profundal zone, the region of a lake beneath the limnetic zone in which there is insufficient light for photosynthesis to occur. Littoral zone, the area from the shore of a lake or pond to the point where there is no plants grow in the lake bottom. Litter, the upper layer of soil, mainly decomposed leaves or grasses. Topsoil, the topsoil beneath the litter, composed of small particles of rock. Humus, decaying plant and animal matter. Subsoil, the soil layer beneath the topsoil, usually containing more rock particles and less organic matter than the topsoil. Bedrock, the layer beneath the soil composed of rock. Epilimnion, the upper level of a lake which warms up in the summer. Hypolimnion, the lower level of a lake which remains at the low temperature year-round. Thermocline,